Got background noise in a Zoom call? Here's how you mute someone using the new Zoom Workspace app. Let's keep it peaceful. Once you're in Zoom meeting, head to the toolbar at the bottom and click on Participants. A sidebar will open on the right with full list of everyone in the meeting. Find the person that you'd like to mute. Hover over their name, click on the three dots beside it, and select Mute. They'll get muted immediately, and Zoom won't send them a pop-up, so it's subtle. Keep in mind that if you're not the host or co-host, you won't see this option. So if you're just attending, you won't be able to mute others. If you're a host, this is too powerful, especially during presentations or webinars. One click and the background noise is gone. Smash the like button if you have dealt with barking dogs or keyboard clacks during calls. And subscribe for more smart Zoom tips.